Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Integromat to WooCommerce for order status syncing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Integromat website. Log into your Integromat account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. In the dashboard, click on Create a new scenario. You will see a screen with a plus icon labeled Add Modules. Click on the plus icon to search for your desired apps. Type WooCommerce in the search bar and select the WooCommerce module from the list. You will now choose the action you want Integromat to perform. Select Watch Orders to track new orders and their status. Next, connect your WooCommerce account by clicking on Add in the connection settings. In the connection settings, fill in the required fields. You will need your WooCommerce store URL, consumer key, and consumer secret. To find these, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to WooCommerce settings. Navigate to the Advanced tab and select REST API. Click on Add Key and fill in the description and permissions. Generate the key and keep your consumer key and consumer secret handy. Return to Integromat and paste your WooCommerce store URL, consumer key, and consumer secret into the connection settings. After entering the necessary details, click Continue to test your connection. If successful, you should see a confirmation message. Now, click on the plus icon again to add another module. Search for the app you want to connect with WooCommerce for order status syncing. For this example, type email to send notifications for order status updates. Select the Send an Email action. Fill in the fields such as to, subject, and body based on your needs. You can use dynamic fields from the WooCommerce order, such as order ID or customer name. Once you have set up the email module, click OK. Next, click on the Settings gear icon in the scenario. Here, you can set your scenario to run automatically based on the desired frequency. Once configured, click Save. To test your setup, click on the Run Once button at the bottom. Place a test order in your WooCommerce store to see if it triggers the email notification. Monitor Integromat for any error messages and troubleshoot if necessary. Once confirmed, your scenario is ready to keep your order status synced. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.